Everyone is talking about Seedance 2, but no one tells you real-world use cases that can actually make your life easier and make some money. So in this video, I'm going to show you actual Seedance 2 use cases that will blow your mind. And everything you're about to see is generated using Dreamina Seedance 2.0 inside Pippit. I'll show you the exact prompts, how to run them inside Pippit, and most importantly, why these actually work in real scenarios. So once you sign up on Pippit, you land on a really clean interface. Everything is pretty straightforward, and right here you get access to all the models, including Dreamina Seedance 2.0, the fast version, and other options depending on what you want to generate. The first use case that really surprised me is you can actually create high-end motion graphics using Dreamina Seedance 2. So for example, I had this idea for an infographic style animation. I created the first frame using Nano Banana Pro, and then designed the final frame with all the elements laid out. Now inside Pippit, all I did was upload both frames. Selected Dreamina Seedance 2.0, and then started the prompt like this. Use image 1 as the first frame, and image 2 as the last frame, and then describe the animation. This prompt is basically defining the entire animation flow, like how each panel appears, how the energy moves, how everything connects together. So, we added the prompt and hit generate. Pippit takes a few minutes to generate the video. Let's look at the final result. And if you've ever used After Effects, you know something like this would easily take hours to create. But with Dreamina Seedance 2, this is literally just one prompt. This next Dreamina Seedance 2 use case is honestly my favorite. You can actually use it to create fashion videos. And not just basic videos, like full-on creative, trendy, high-energy fashion content. So for this one, I used a prompt that focuses on fashion elements, different environments, bold colors, layered graphics, and fast-paced edits. It's basically describing the vibe, the styling, and how each shot transitions into the next. And when I paste this inside Pippit, Dreamina Seedance 2 creates a dynamic and trendy fashion video like this. This looks like something you'd actually see on Instagram or a brand campaign. And this next one is something a lot of people don't even realize. You can actually design custom motion using Dreamina Seedance 2. So for example, I wanted to create this kind of smooth, evolving animation, where shapes transform, expand, and flow into each other. So I wrote a prompt describing the exact motion, how the shapes evolve, how transitions happen, and how everything flows together. This is basically like designing motion manually, but through text. And you can see how Seedance 2 actually nails it. The transitions are smooth, the motion feels intentional, and nothing looks random. This is something that normally takes serious motion design skills, but here, it's just prompt-based. Now this next use case is actually kind of crazy. Dreamina Seedance 2 can literally edit your videos for you. And I don't mean basic editing, I mean full cinematic edits. Cuts, effects, motion, everything. So for this one, you can actually upload a video clip. But in my case, I just used an image. I already had it uploaded in Pippit, so I just selected it from assets. And then I used this prompt. In the prompt, I'm basically telling Seedance 2, use this image as my character, keep the face consistent, and not only generate the video, but also edit it, and I added some edit instructions. And here's the result.
But then, a new model dropped. It didn't just compete, it completely crushed everything. Followed reprofs better, handled characters better, and even allowed real faces.
This is actually wild. Like, look at this. The camera movement, the transitions, the effects. It's literally editing the video based on the prompt. And honestly, if you can prompt, you don't even need a video editor for stuff like this. Don't forget to check my Seedance 2 prompt guide added in the description. Alright, now let's take it even further. Dreamina Seedance 2 is also really good at high-fidelity animated storytelling. And this is where it starts to feel like an actual film. So for this one, I used a detailed multi-shot prompt, basically describing each moment step by step. Each shot has timing, action, camera movement, so the model knows exactly how the story should flow. And this is what it generates. This is actually really impressive. The flow between shots, the timing, the movement, it all feels intentional. And that's the key difference. It's not just generating visuals, it's actually telling a story. Alright, this next use case is all about social media viral videos. And the first style is something you've probably seen everywhere. POV videos. These kinds of clips, fast movement, chaos, near misses, they get insane views. So inside Pippit, I pasted this prompt. This prompt is built for one thing, pure chaos. Continuous POV movement, no cuts, constant forward motion, and a lot of obstacles interacting with the camera. This is actually crazy. Everything is moving, the camera is shaking, objects are flying in, but it still feels smooth. These wingsuit flying videos are insanely immersive, and they get a ton of engagement. Here's the prompt. This one is more structured. It defines the environment, the character, the motion, and even the exact sequence of events. Seedance 2 can also create incredibly real UGC-style ads. So for example, I just selected my product image inside Pippit from Assets and used a UGC-style prompt. Now if I generate the video.
Okay, wait. I was not expecting this to smell this good. It smells expensive, like actually luxury, not fake sweet. It's soft at first, then it hits different after a few seconds, like warm, slightly sweet, kind of addictive. I keep smelling myself. I'm not even joking. Yeah, this is staying in my bag.
See how naturally she explains everything? The expressions, the pauses, the delivery. It looks completely real. And this is huge for social media. These kinds of videos are used everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, ads. With Dreamina Seedance 2, you can literally create full cinematic commercials. And I'm not talking about basic ads. I mean full high-end production, the kind you'd normally see from big brands. So for this, I used a prompt designed around one continuous shot. No cuts, just smooth camera movement flowing through different environments. This looks insane. The way it moves from one location to another, the camera flow, the lighting, the transitions, it actually feels like a real commercial shoot. If you want to try all of this yourself, Dreamina Seedance 2.0 is available right now on Pippit. Link is in the description. And if you actually want to master Seedance 2, I've put together a full guide that covers everything you need, from prompt structure, references control, to advanced workflows. And the best part is it's updated regularly. Added the link in the description. And if you want me to create a part 2 with even more advanced use cases, just comment part 2 below. And if this video gets 50 comments, I'll make the next one. And if you want to see some really cool ads I generated using Seedance 2, check out this video right here.